Today we have Y60. We have got a password, and I can show you how to password remove it. So you can press and hold first power button to switch off your phone, and put in the cable, insert the cable. Then you can immediately press volume up button and hold it. Don't be released until not go to the recovery mode. You can see phone is switched on and is rebooting to the recovery mode. Yes. Until you hold it, is not rebooting recovery mode. Look there, is recovery mode. Right, clear data. Touch on clear data. See, say factory reset. Say factory reset. Press yes. Yes. Right in yes. See, is factory reset. Any Huawei or any other phone in Huawei, you can do same steps, use the same steps, can wipe for data again. Then you can go back and restart. You can see there have password. Phone is rebooting. Switch it on now again. You can check. It go next step, or maybe it go to FRP or Huawei ID. We can show you after how to do the next steps. So we can try on my best. Yes, you can press next now. They ask me connect with the Wi-Fi. Okay, you can put my password now. Wi-Fi. Okay. Yeah, there is a Huawei ID. Look it here. There is a Huawei ID. Okay. And we can remove now Huawei ID also. Yeah, there is a repair of the Huawei ID now. Okay, we can show you how to do it. You can open the back cover. Very easy job. You see, and open, there is some screws.